will fly.
Cracker back at you. Got a new video out today. We're gonna fix the avalanche like I promised you guys a long time ago. We got that little Scar 8 up under the seat. I went and bought the old lady a new box. Let's go check it out. Got her new radio in. We're gonna put these Polk DBs in here in a prefab box with underpart seat of a Chevy Avalanche 2004. There's those Polk Marines. Give you guys a lowdown. If you remember correctly, it had an old piece of poopy Alpine single den in there. Put her a Kenwood in. And I don't know if you guys know a lot about these, but without the stage 1, 2, and 3 install kit on these, all you've got is a constant power. There's no freaking accessory. So here's what I did. Pull off the fuse panel right here. And if you look in 04, 05, 06 Avalanches, you've got this thing right here that says rear wiper, or you can tie onto the truck body control accessory, either or. But this one was a little larger. I don't understand why the wire was a 15 amp was smaller than a wire for a 10 amp. But I just tied onto that one right here, that little 10 amp with a little snap connector. Now we'll show you guys what we got to work with here. The same old thing we got. I got the video out on this, but I built this box for this little Scar, little 8 under the seat. And we're going to be felting this. I may change the amps out. I don't know. That's what she's working with. Try to clean up this rat's nest a little bit. But I'm going to felt this. Maybe it'll look better black instead of just raw wood. But I'll get back with you guys with the final results. Dapper Cracker out.